Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how you can change your YouTube video thumbnail on iOS in 2021. So the first thing you will want to do, you want to go to YouTube Studio, and you will want to go to the desired video that you will want to change the thumbnail for. So if you're uploading the video like right now, you should see on this page processing, wherever you see the video that you are uploading, you want to tap on that. And I'm not uploading any video for this specific tutorial, so please bear with me. So I'm gonna click on the video. So the video that you clicked on, you should see this when you click on it. So what you want to do now, you want to click that pencil icon, and up in the top right hand corner you want to tap on that, and you want to tap on it again, and then you should see a photo with a plus on it. That means, and you should see change. So basically you would want to go to the thumbnail, and you want to click on it, and then you have the thumbnail there. Just click select and it will save it automatically for you. Okay guys, without further ado, that wraps up today's video. If this tutorial helped you in any way, shape or form, please be sure to give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and join the family. I'll see you in the next one.